Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Hey folks, in this real quick video, I'm going to show you how to be a baller using Google Sheets. Ready? Let's make Google Sheets do math for us. All right, so I've got these wavelengths and in nanometers, and I need to calculate them in meters, and then I need to use that to calculate frequency, and then I need to use that to calculate energy, and I have to do it for all 6 of these. So that seems like a lot of work. But I can be super awesome and a baller using Google Sheets, and I can get it to do my work for me. So I've got all the stuff I need to do my maths down here. I have the conversion factor for nanometers to meters. When I need to go from meters to frequency, what is this? Get out of here. Yeah, close that. When I want to go from meters to frequency, I'm going to need to use this equation. I didn't want to type in this symbol for lambda, so I just wrote it in parentheses because I was feeling lazy. And I also have this value for c, the speed of light, which is a constant. So I need that. And then when I want to go from frequency to energy, I'm going to need to use this stuff. So let's use that stuff. Oh my gosh, here we go. So first off, I need to convert nanometers to meters. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the computer to do that math for me. I've got my box selected. I'm going to tell it, hey, in this box, do some math. Equal sign tells the computer, hey, or Google, hey, I'm going to do some math. And then what do I want to do the math? What math do I want to do? Well, I'm going to end up dividing this 680 by 10 to the 9th nanometers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the box that has the number that I want. Boom, do that. And you can see that Google has said, oh, hey, look, that value D3 is 680. And so I'm going to divide that by 10 to the 9th nanometers. Cool. And look, it recognized that, and it already is telling me what the answer is going to be. So I can just enter and did the math for me. And so now I don't like that, and I kind of like that to be in scientific notation. I'm pretty sure I can adjust that. How do I do that? I go into format and I go to number, and I'm going to say, hey, put that in scientific notation, buddy. Thank you. And now it's in scientific notation. That's the way I like it. And so I wanted to do that math on this box, and 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 also this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my little cursor over to the corner of this box, a little square, and you can see it changes. It turns into this little crosshair type thing. Well, I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag down, and you can see it's highlighting these boxes with this dotted line. That's saying that it's going to apply the same math to all those boxes. But instead of here, where it looked at D3, this box, now in the one beneath it, it's going to look at the one next to it. And this dude's going to look at the one next to that. Oh my gosh, check out. I just did all that math super fast. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go again, and I'm going to say, all right, equals, get ready to do some math. And what do I need to do? Well, I'm going to end up doing frequency is equal to wavelength, or rather, frequency is going to be equal to the speed of light divided by wavelength. So first I'm going to enter in my constant that I'm going to be using, my 3.00, and I'm going to say that's times, oh, you know what? I can use that E notation just like it did here. So this E is the same as times 10 to the negative 7th. So I'm going to do capital E, and this is to the 8th. Great, and it's showing me that it knows what that is in scientific notation. And then I'm going to say divided by, and I'm going to click on the box where it has the number that I want. Boom, I calculated wavelength in meters here. This is in meters per second, so those work together. And I can hit enter, and it did the math for me. Sweet, and I can do this before. Click on that little box and drag it down. Boom, and all of that math has been done for me. And now I can go over to energy, and I can say, hey, bud, guess what? You're going to do some more math for me. Equal sign. And here, energy is equal to Planck's constant H frequency. So I'll grab my frequency, and then I'll enter in Planck's constant, 6.626, capital E to tell, hey, it's some scientific notation. And this is to the negative 34th because it's a super small number. And I can hit enter, and it's done my math for me. And I can click, and I can drag, and it does all the math for me. Sweet. So I was a baller. Instead of spending a ton of time doing calculations on a calculator, I used Google Spreadsheets, Google Sheets to do my math real quick for me. You can also do this using Microsoft Excel, but I'm a Google dude. So that's the end of this video. Ta-ta. Have a great rest of your life.